Excelsior. Today we are showing how to hide the ribbon in Excel. There are two main methods. The first one is the keyboard shortcut, which is CTRL plus F1. When you hide the ribbon, you still see the tabs here, and you can then access the tabs to see the commands. You can toggle CTRL F1 to bring it back down. The second method is using the options in the top right. You can see the ribbon display options here next to the minimize. When you click this, you get three options. The first one is an auto hide, and as you can see, it hides the tabs and the commands and gives you greater surface area to see the cells. You then come up here and you can see the show tabs, which is similar to the CTRL plus F1 method. And then finally, we have tabs and commands to bring it all back together. You may use this when you're trying to do a presentation and you do not want to confuse the audience with the options of the ribbon and just want to show them the graphs and the data. Or you might need this method when you're trying to access more cells so you can see all of your data at once. So this is how you can hide the ribbon. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.